Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Diana Ruth and I mostly do OCC Operation Christmas Child shoebox unboxings on my channel. I also throw in thrift hauls here and there. So I will be showing you two 10 to 14 girl shoeboxes with a theme, a fall theme, and also with sewing items. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first one here. I love the color of these lids on the Sterilite bins. At the very top, I just have her bendable folder with her print-offs to go with her theme. This is a how to draw falling leaves. And just some pictures that she can color. And she has a bit of a hedgehog influence in her box, so an emphasis. So I gave her this, and this I don't normally call out every individual website that I print off of because I just get all of my print offs from Pinterest. But this one here, lovetodrawthings.com. I've never been to their website, but I really like them because they show how the child can color it and also how they can do the little bit of shading. So I really like their how to draws. Just some leaves, another hedgehog picture, and then some notebook paper in the back. Here is her 60-page notebook, and it has a bit of a fall emphasis on it. She has a tote bag, and it has pumpkins and leaves on it. This is her wow item, her Barbie doll. I like the idea of putting a Barbie doll in with sewing kits because the girl could maybe learn how to sew a dress for her Barbie, and she's very fall inspired with her little orange sneakers. She has a solar powered calculator for school, and I love the color on this calculator. She has a little tic-tac-toe game, and inside I just included an extra outfit so that her Barbie could turn into a princess. And there's a pumpkin on the dress, so it goes with the theme. I found this print off from an OCC Facebook group that I follow. There was a nice lady that put those on, or shared the link for that print off. So it just shows them how to play tic-tac-toe. And I gave her more than 2 sets to choose from, so she's got little hedgehogs there and acorns and some leaves and then more instructions. She has her scissors for school. I just played off fall colors and also the colors that are in her Barbie dress. She has her soap. I need to order more of my soap savers that I like to add in. This is her little case that matches her lid, and I just cut off the Barbie, what do you call it, the Barbie picture that was on her box, and I put it on the lid. And then she has some fall stickers here. These are skateboard stickers. She has some string, some fabric tape, and I just put this in because it shows what it is in Spanish and English, but it's fabric tape. And then she has some Barbie accessories, the shoes that go with her dress, some little sunglasses, buttons, and then safety pins and straight pins at the bottom there. And then to go with her sewing kit, he looks a little wonky. But I ordered him from Amazon. It's a little pin cushion and it's a hedgehog. And then she has a little brush. I found these this packaging is so darling. I found these on Amazon. They were about $1.25 for each of these. I think I got a 6-pack. But these fall stickers, I left them in the packaging because I think she'll appreciate that little box. There's just some wonderful artistic fall themed stickers in here. There's a little raccoon and there's 2 of each sticker. There's the hedgehog, just some leaves, the acorns, and there's little rabbits. There's even deer and trees, just an assortment of different animals that I think she will really appreciate the artwork. She has her toothbrush with a silicone cap, bouncy ball, a little hedgehog sharpener. Inside there's a little squirrel friend. And this is her sewing kit that I ordered off of Amazon. I do really like the case. It's magnetic and I just attached a magnet on there for her. It came with scissors, but they were not good scissors, so I took them out and I have the packaging somewhere. I added Westcott scissors. I found these at Dollarama for $1.25. So I put those in her kit. I don't know what this is. So yeah, I just bought a kit and kind of, I'm hoping that I added everything I was supposed to. These are her spools of thread. Now I do like how they put these on here. They have like a little peg so they don't fall off as easy. So that is her sewing kit. That's also magnetic. And I ordered some 5-inch zippers. Maybe she could do a pencil pouch, or I'm not sure, but I figured these would be useful. There's 5, 3 black zippers and 2 white zippers. She also has 2 things of elastic. Now I left these in the packaging because they are large and sharp. So these are her sewing scissors. She has a little notebook and an eraser, a little flute on a string. She has a couple of these confetti crayons in the fall colors. She has one of her waterproof pouches. I added band-aids because, you know, there could be accidents when she's practicing her sewing. She has a little compact mirror, one of these all-natural loofahs that I found at the Dollar Tree. And here is her little keepsake item. It is a star bracelet. She has a comfy pair of slip-on socks. And then she has 2 pair of size 14 underwear. And then in her other pouch on the bottom, I just gave her 3 pens, red, black, and blue. And then I gave her a fun autumn brown pen. And then she also has colored pencils that kind of go with the fall theme, as well as a couple of markers. And these are Stettler and an extra sharpener. At the end of the video, if you watched me before, you know that I lay everything out, so you'll see everything in detail at the end. And I'll put the 2 shoe boxes side by side. All right, so the last thing in her bin. Now you may roll your eyes when I tell you how much I paid for these, but I thought it was a good deal. I do not know much about sewing. On Amazon, they had 50 of these 10 by 10 inch square fabrics for $26.66. I can link it down below for you. I have no idea if that's a good deal, but I thought it was. And this one is funny because it matches her fabric tape. So I just gave her fabrics that kind of went with her theme and colors. And when I ordered these, there were no copies of the same print. And this one has little leaves falling off, so I thought it was nice. with the fall theme. And that is my first fall themed sewing shoebox for a girl 10 to 14. And now we will go into the next shoebox. Alright, here is the second 10 to 14 girl shoebox. Same exact bin. She also has one of these very bendy folders from Walmart. And she has an emphasis on pumpkins and a safari theme. So I included this how to draw a pumpkin. More leaves. Toadstool. Again, I love how they show the coloring. And then some notebook paper in the back. She also has her fall themed 60-page notebook. And she has a leopard print handkerchief surrounding her box. Now here is her Barbie. I ordered her from Amazon and I love her dress and her face, but her hair I was not very impressed with. So I did make sure and include a brush for this Barbie. But yeah, hopefully she can maybe design some clothes for her. She has the same matching tote as the first box. She has a little giraffe soft toy that's also squishy. A little heart hair tie. She also has a fall themed tic-tac-toe game. This one just has the wood case that I bought these embellishments in, and I wrote tic-tac-toe. She has mushrooms, squirrels, and acorns that she can choose from to play with. She has her toothbrush, an orange bouncy ball, and this is her sewing kit. She also has five 5-inch zippers, but she has 3 white and 2 black. She has the elastic. She has her needles. There's an extra thread here. I thought it was a pretty fall color. Cotton string. And then some more little snaps and safety pins in here. And like I said, there's a bit of a safari theme to her shoebox. She has her compact mirror. I love these Goody brand mirrors from Walmart. This is her outfit. She has a more casual outfit to change into since she's wearing a fancy dress. One of those round facial scrubbies. She also has band-aids in here in case she has some accidents. She has a bralette. And then she has her 2 pair of underwear that are also size 14. And this one has a bit of a safari print. Now her cute pin cushion is a pumpkin. So that's hers. She also has one of these coral colored bins, and I just cut out the picture on her box. There's a little tiger notepad. I think I got that from Michael's. And then her keepsake bracelet. Just more ribbon. There's a few accessories here for her Barbie doll. Scissors, thread, safety pins, and then her straight pins are also down there with her buttons. Or no, not her straight pins, I'm sorry. That was in the other one. Her straight pins are here in this container. She has one of these little elephant squishies. She has a pencil tin, and these are magnetic, so I just put a few cute little magnets on there for her. She has a fun orange pen and a bunch of Stettler sharpened pencils with some paper clips, eraser pencil tops. Again, I'll have it all laid out at the end. She has her colored pencils, and these are all kind of like fall inspired colors. And then she also has those stickers that I showed you. I won't take them out, but she has the same artistic fall stickers in here. And then just some extra crayons, a little notebook. She has one of these Grace in Your Hairs combs that I like to get off of Amazon. They produce their combs to fit in OCC shoeboxes, so I like to support them. And then she has her, I think I put in 10 total 10-inch fabric squares. This one goes nicely with her pumpkin, and those are her prints. And then she has a really soft velvety fabric that's quite large. She has her leopard print bandana. And then underneath she has some cute socks, as well as her large pair of sewing scissors that I kept in the packaging. I will probably cut some of this off, but I just want her to be safe with those. And that is my second sewing themed shoebox, fall inspired. So I am no seamstress, and I know a lot of you guys out there are. So I hope I did okay with this box for her. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments. I really do love hearing from you guys. So thanks again so much for clicking on this video and watching this. And I hope you're all having a great day, and I will talk to you later.